How are you? I'm fine. Are you unwell? No, I'm not unwell. How well are you? I'm extremely well. Are you well or unwell? I'm well. Is she young? Yes, she's young. Is she old? No, she's not old. How young is she? She's very young. Is she young or old? She's young. Is that country rich? Yes, that country's rich. Is that country poor? No, that country's not poor. How rich is that country? That country's very rich. Is that country rich or poor? That country's rich. Is this store good? Yes, this store's good. Is this store bad? No, this store's not bad. How good is this store? This store is the best. Is this store good or bad? This store is good. Are those blackboards big? Yes, those blackboards are big. Are those blackboards small? No, those blackboards aren't small. How big are those blackboards? Those blackboards are very big. Are those blackboards big or small? Those blackboards are small.